The world is changing. We need to move faster, we need to move further, and we need to do it all while protecting our planet. This is where innovation in transportation comes in. New technologies are revolutionizing the way we travel. From electric supercars to flying taxis, the future of mobility is closer than we think. This essay will explore some of the most exciting innovations in transportation today. We will journey across the globe from the bustling streets of Shanghai to the sun-drenched freeways of California. Join me as we explore the vehicles and technologies that will shape the future of how we move. China is at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. Companies like BYD and NIO are developing cutting-edge EVs that rival their Western counterparts. The BYD Yangwang U8 is a prime example. This electric SUV boasts incredible off-road capabilities thanks to its advanced hydraulic suspension system. It can even float in water. NIO, on the other hand, focuses on luxury and performance. Their ET9 sedan features a sleek design, lightning-fast acceleration, and a battery that can be swapped in minutes. These are just two examples of China's dominance in the EV market. China is not just content with dominating the roads, they are reaching for the skies as well. Urban air mobility is a key area of focus for Chinese innovators. The rapid urbanization and increasing population density in major Chinese cities have led to severe traffic congestion, making it imperative to explore alternative modes of transportation. Urban air mobility, or UAM, aims to alleviate these issues by utilizing the airspace above cities for transportation. This concept is not just a futuristic dream, but a burgeoning reality in China. The Yihang 216 is an autonomous aerial vehicle designed for short-distance urban flights. This innovative two-seater drone is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for navigating the crowded urban landscape. This two-seater drone offers a glimpse into a future where flying taxis are commonplace. Imagine hailing a flying taxi via an app, just like you would with a traditional ride-sharing service, but instead of navigating through traffic, you soar above it. Then there's the Sky Train. Imagine a train, but in the sky. This concept takes the efficiency of traditional rail systems and elevates it, literally. This is what the Sky Train offers: efficient and fast transportation on a monorail system, elevated above the congestion of city streets. By utilizing the vertical space, the SkyTrain can bypass the gridlock below, offering a faster and more reliable mode of transport. China's ambition in urban air mobility is clear. They are not just experimenting with these technologies, they are actively integrating them into their urban planning and development strategies. They are investing heavily in the infrastructure and technology needed to make flying cars a reality. From advanced research labs to the construction of dedicated air mobility corridors, China is laying the groundwork for a new era of transportation. The future of urban mobility in China is not just on the horizon, it's taking off. While China is a major player, innovation in transportation is a global endeavor. Companies and researchers worldwide are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In France, the Lazareth LMV 496 is a flying motorbike straight out of a science fiction film. This hybrid vehicle can seamlessly transition from the road to the air, offering a thrilling glimpse into the future of personal transportation. From flying motorbikes in France to self-driving taxis in the United States, the pursuit of better, more efficient transportation is a global effort. Section 5. Autonomous driving, reshaping the future of transport. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. Companies like Amazon are developing autonomous vehicles for ride-hailing services. Amazon's Zoox robotaxi is a fully autonomous vehicle designed for ride-hailing. With no steering wheel or pedals, the Zoox is designed for a future where passengers are simply along for the ride. Autonomous vehicles promise to make our roads safer and more efficient by eliminating human error. While there are still hurdles to overcome, the development of self-driving technology is progressing rapidly. Section 6. Robotics and personal mobility. Small scale, big impact. Innovation in transportation isn't just about big, flashy vehicles. Sometimes the smallest inventions can have a significant impact on our daily lives. Take, for instance, the Redroid kangaroo from Japan. This compact robot serves as both a personal assistant and a scooter. It can follow its owner, carry belongings, and even transform into a mode of transportation for short distances. These small-scale innovations highlight the ingenuity and creativity present in the field of personal mobility. Section 7. The future of transportation trends and predictions. The future of transportation is filled with exciting possibilities. We can expect to see even more integration of artificial intelligence, advanced materials, and sustainable energy sources. Flying cars and hyperloop systems, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are now being seriously considered as viable transportation solutions. The lines between different modes of transport will continue to blur, creating a more seamless and interconnected transportation network. Section 8. The US-China innovation race, a global perspective. The United States and China are locked in a fierce competition for supremacy in the field of transportation technology. This rivalry spans across various domains, from electric vehicles to high-speed rail and even autonomous driving technologies. Both nations are pouring immense resources into research and development, aiming to outpace each other and set global standards. Both countries recognize the economic and strategic importance of leading the way in this sector. The stakes are incredibly high, as the winner could dominate the future of global transportation, influencing everything from environmental policies to economic growth. Corporate giants and government bodies in both nations are working tirelessly to innovate and implement cutting-edge technologies. China, with its vast manufacturing capacity and government support, is rapidly scaling up its production of electric vehicles. The Chinese government has implemented policies that heavily subsidize electric vehicle production, making it easier for manufacturers to ramp up their operations. This has led to a significant increase in the number of electric vehicles on Chinese roads. China is also investing heavily in areas like high-speed rail. The country boasts the world's largest high-speed rail network, which continues to expand at a rapid pace. This investment not only improves domestic transportation, but also positions China as a leader in high-speed rail technology, potentially exporting this expertise to other countries. Additionally, China is focusing on autonomous driving. The country is conducting extensive tests and pilot programs to integrate self-driving cars into its transportation ecosystem. These efforts are supported by both private companies and government initiatives, aiming to make autonomous vehicles a common sight on Chinese roads in the near future. The US, on the other hand, leverages its Silicon Valley innovation hub. Silicon Valley is home to some of the world's most advanced technology companies, which are at the forefront of developing new transportation solutions. From electric vehicles to autonomous driving, these companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The US has a strong tradition of technological advancement. This legacy of innovation is deeply ingrained in the American ethos, driving continuous improvements and breakthroughs in transportation technology. The combination of private sector ingenuity and public sector support creates a fertile ground for pioneering advancements. This rivalry, while intense, is ultimately beneficial for the advancement of transportation technology as a whole. The competition drives both nations to innovate faster and more efficiently, leading to technological breakthroughs that benefit the entire world. As the US and China continue to push the envelope, the global community stands to gain from the fruits of their labor, ushering in a new era of transportation. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing the future of mobility. The world of transportation is on the cusp of a revolution. With each passing day, we are witnessing groundbreaking advancements that are set to redefine the way we move from one place to another. From electric flying cars that soar above traffic to self-driving taxis that navigate our streets with precision and safety, the innovations we are witnessing today will fundamentally change how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Imagine a world where your daily commute is not just a necessity, but an enjoyable experience, where traffic jams are a thing of the past, and where transportation is seamless and efficient. As we embrace these new technologies, we must also consider their impact on our society and the environment. The promise of a cleaner, greener future is within our grasp, but it requires us to be mindful of the choices we make today. We must prioritize sustainability, ensuring that our advancements do not come at the cost of our planet. Accessibility is another crucial factor as we strive to create a world where everyone, regardless of their physical abilities or economic status, can benefit from these innovations. Safety must be paramount as we navigate this exciting new era of transportation. With new technologies come new challenges, and it is our responsibility to ensure that these advancements are implemented in a way that protects and benefits all members of society. The future of mobility is bright, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. It is a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand, creating a world that is not only more efficient but also more equitable. And it is up to us to ensure that it is a future we can all be a part of. By embracing these advancements with a thoughtful and inclusive approach, we can create a transportation system that serves everyone, leaving no one behind. The journey towards this future starts now, and together we can make it a reality.